Alright, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be taking the car to Mario's shop. We're actually getting a new part installed at the moment, and we're going to get a brand new water reservoir. Car seems like it's warmed up a bit, so I think we're good now. So
Toss the plate.
alright, so we're here at the shop. I got my chin diaper on right here. We're here at the shop at Mario's place right now. Made a couple holes right here, one right there and a couple right there to fit in the new water reservoir. It looks pretty cool. I'll show you guys right here. That's it going right there. I thought gold would look pretty cool because I feel like it matches a little bit more of the engine bay. And I think because we're also getting a new oil catch can that goes right there, but that one's already going to be red, and I think this one would have been better to be gold because I felt like too much red on here would have probably made it look a little bit too much. But yeah, I think that looks like a very subtle look, and I think it's a good choice that we went with this gold right here. Very cool. I think he's just about to mount these on and then put on the hoses if he has them right now. I guess we'll just see. These guys just rolled up real quick, as you guys just saw, and I'm just checking out their builds. I think it's pretty sweet. I don't know what this is right here. That's really nice. Got some cool seats, and I think I love these Recaros in here too. That's really nice. I think these wheels are really sick though. It's got the carbon fiber lip around it with the gold inside. That's sick. He just opened up his hood just to show me because he said, "I know you want to look at this," and I'm like, "Yes sir, I do." Dang, this thing is clean. I'm careful with my keys though. Like, as you guys can see, once again, he has his water reservoir silver, and we're making ours gold, or we have ours gold, but it's pretty much going to be mounting just like that one.
Middle too.
It's pretty... Wow, that looks really sick. Just changed the color of the front lip. They have like a steel aluminum one, but this one's all gold finished, and it looks better with the rims. Puts everything together. It's a little mock-up, but that's pretty sick. Sorry. It's so cool. He's got his own little engraved stuff right there inside the tank, and looks like it's finally on. That's really sick. The Fiji bottle is no more. This thing has been there as my water reservoir for the longest time, so now it's actually got a brand new one and not a water bottle. So that's pretty cool. Nice. Just trying to test out to see where the red line kind of goes at right now, and oh, I guess we're not done. So around 6,000 RPM is when it starts redlining. That shit's crazy. All right, Datsun is back home. Let me go ahead and open the trunk real quick, or the hood, my bad. I always call it a trunk. Why am I? Just to show you guys, there's the water reservoir finally inside. It looks pretty sick. So yeah, before the Fiji bottle pretty much just sat right here, and now this water reservoir is complete and it fits the whole entire look. I'm still waiting for the oil catch can, and I think we got to do a little bit more maintenance on the car as well, especially the exhaust crack that we have in the back. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It's been a lot of fun, especially for me, because this car runs super quick. If you guys enjoyed that video though, if you guys did, make sure to leave a like down below and comment down what you guys thought about this video, and comment down below what you guys thought about the water reservoir over there as well. But yeah guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.